What's good, sneaker family? It's your boy Fabe, back with another sole restoration video, and today we will be icing a pair of 2012 Galaxy Rookie Foam Posits, one of the upper echelon colorways for this model. This pair has been through a marathon and back. Even the glow is gone on this pair, but today we're going to bring that all back. First, you'll want to apply your Fabes Sole Sauce to the affected area and spread it evenly with a paintbrush. Then you'll want to cover it with saran wrap. It's very important to use two pieces and cover it in halves. This way you can maximize your restoration time. After that, it's time for the baking process. You'll want to put your shoes under sunlight or UV lighting if you have one. I recommend doing both. Use sunlight during the day and use UV lights at night for overnight sessions. After your sessions are done, simply wash off the remaining sauce and look at your results. And there you have it. The Galaxy Rookie Foams are factory fresh and ready to hit the streets once again. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, for there will be more videos to come. And if you have any kicks you would like to see restored, just leave a comment below.